Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we are getting ready to make fried chicken. It's going to be crispy fried chicken that's low carb, keto friendly. So guys, we're going to be using some different ingredients, but if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. So I have some chicken pieces here. We are back and I am going to be using some legs and thighs, but I am not going to use all of this for the keto friendly because I'm the only one that's going to want the keto friendly, although it is amazing now. Okay, so first thing I want to do is season up this chicken. I'm going to be using some Old Bay seasoning on it. I'm going to get in here and season it all up really well. You know I like to massage my chicken, so I'm going to put it all on. Now we're going to go in with some paprika, little Himalayan sea salt, and we have our onion and garlic powder that we're going to be using. I will have all the ingredients down in the description for you guys, so you don't have to worry about remembering anything now. All you have to do when you get ready to make it is check back and look in the description. I'm going to go in with a little black pepper. Okay, now we're going to just go in and massage this really well, and we will be right back. Okay guys, we are back, and instead of using our traditional all-purpose flour, we're going to go in with almond flour for our crispy low-carb chicken. And again, I'll have the ingredients down below. And to that, we're going to add a little baking soda, all of which the baking soda does not have any carbs in it. And we're going to be adding some baking powder. You get that up. We want it in the flour, not on the counter. Okay. Set that aside. Make sure you blend this really well. We're just going to coat our chicken in this. But first, we're going to go in with a little olive oil on our chicken. Okay, we're going to set this aside right quick. Now, you just want to go in with a little olive oil on it because we're not using traditional flour. I'll set that aside. Traditional flour, you want to add just a little extra something to help this adhere really well. If you don't have olive oil, you can do this with butter as well. Just rub the olive oil in really good. Then you want to go ahead and coat your chicken. Make sure you're heating up your skillet and it's nice and hot while we go ahead and do this. Leave it in the same dish. And now guys, we're going to head on over to the stove so we can get this crispied all up. Okay guys, as you can hear, our oil is nice and hot. So make sure, as with any chicken, you take off the excess flour. Go ahead and put it in. Gonna let it cook about 5 or 6 minutes on this side before we turn it over, and then we'll be turning it over as needed from that point. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn it over. Oh, look at that, look at that. It is looking amazing. Oh my goodness, nice and crispy golden brown. Look at that, guys. Look how crispy that is. Delicious. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, we are ready to come out. Look at that. Look at how crispy that is. Oh my goodness. We're going to head on over so we can place this, give you guys a close up, and we'll be right back. This is my plate, and I just wanted you all to see how nice and juicy this chicken is. Oh my goodness. And let's have a bite of this crispiness. Can you hear the crunch? Delicious, delicious, delicious. Wow. Guys, you have got to make this if you want low carb, and even if you don't, it is delicious. Okay, guys, we are all done. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share the video out. Oh my goodness, look how crispy this chicken is. Oh my goodness. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.